A very good morning. I am very happy to be speaking on the occasion of the inauguration of 2-day long workshop on large scale integration of renewable energy in India being organized by USAID. I also welcome the new mission director Ms. Veena Reddy who has joined us on this occasion. Let me speak for a few minutes about India's power sector. India has transformed its power sector in the last around 7 years. We used to be power deficit, now we are power surplus. India has adequate generation capacity and its share in green energy is also increasing. We have also integrated our all regional grids into one robust national grid, and we can now transmit more than 1 lakh megawatt from any corner of the country to other corner of the country through interstate transmission network. Most spectacular work has been done in universalizing the access to electricity. We have electrified all our villages and all our hamlets, and this has been a very spectacular work that we have electrified more than 2.8 crore, that is 28 million households in less than 1.5 years. And apart from this, we have also strengthened our distribution network. Now our supply of hours in rural areas, they have almost increased by 80%. We are close to now 23 hours on all India basis, and many states are now supplying 24-hour supply in rural areas, and our major towns are getting close to 24-hour supply. While we have universalized the access, increased our transmission capacity, generation capacity, we have also taken care of the energy security and energy sustainability. The journey in the energy transition has also been very successful, and this has been very widely recognized by the global community. In all this journey, we value our partnership with US. USAID has been helping us, assisting us in experience sharing, some technical collaboration projects in the area of flexible generation, battery energy storage, and also in terms of capacity building of regulatory commissions, working with the system operators. And I am very happy to mention that recently our partnership with US has been elevated to now strategic clean energy partnership, and the leaders of the two countries, they have really come together, and we are very hopeful, and we have very good prospects. As is well known, India has announced the most ambitious target of adding 450 gigawatt of renewable energy by the end of this decade, and this is a very challenging task. India has done so far a number of things. We have set up green energy corridors. A number of renewable energy management centers have come up. They are functioning. We have also introduced a number of new products in power exchanges which are facilitating larger integration of renewable energy. And I look forward to continued and strengthened partnership with US in the whole arena of energy, and more particularly in energy transition, which my ministry, Ministry of Power, has been tasked to take forward, and we are very confident that with continued partnership with USAID, we will have best of the experience sharing, technical collaboration, and I wish all the success to this 2-day workshop. And my special thanks to USAID for providing us all technical knowledge, and I continue to look forward for this partnership. Thank you very much. Thank you.